Wow.
Nature does restore itself eventually, but it needs help from humans. Like
Good
you
point.
and I and the viewer at home. So yeah, let's just
point.
keep that in mind. And we have definitely dealt with those kinds of disasters before in Southern Oregon and Northern California. Unfortunately, we still have several wildfires that are burning in the region, and that's making our air quality pretty tough in Josephine County. Look at that. Is that a bee or a bird? That's something flying. Okay, that's cool. Anyway, let's go back to the weather. You know what? I'm going to move past this graphic because it's actually freaking me out a little bit. Temperatures right now are in the 70s in inland spots and then low 60s along the coast in Curry County. The smoke is the worst right now, again, in southern Josephine County, not looking too bad in the Shasta Valley. We'll go ahead and put this in motion, and winds will gust out of the northwest a little bit later today, gusting between 20 to 25 miles per hour. And so that'll put a lot of the haze and smoke into Klamath County, Lake County, Siskiyou County, coastal Curry County. But we should have some pretty good air quality for Josephine County, Jackson County, and this little chunk of Klamath County. And then with the cold front passing overnight and into Tuesday morning, I want you to watch what happens to the smoke into tomorrow. You'll notice that there's a lot less of it on the map. Yes, we will have some strands of smoke and haze in these areas downwind of some of the fires on the map, but in general, smoke is looking like it'll be a lot less prevalent for tomorrow as opposed to today. Speaking of today, here's your outdoor dining forecast, going with 3 stars for lunchtime. It will be warm. It feels nice out there. It's a little gray, so it's not 4 stars because of the aesthetics of it, but going back up to 4 stars for dinner time because we will have more in the way of sunshine up in the sky. So for today, we'll have seasonal highs for the middle to late portions of September, which means we'll be in the low 80s to the east of the Cascades, low to mid 80s for our west side valleys, middle 60s along the coast in Curry County, where we'll be pretty cool and gray due to the marine layer. And again, winds will gust out of the north and west, upwards of 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then for tonight, we'll continue to see the passage of the cold front. That means that clouds will clear and overnight lows will be just a little bit cooler compared to what we saw for this morning. And that means we'll be in the mid 30s to low 40s to the east of the Cascades, low to mid 50s for west side valleys, and then low 50s along the coast in Curry County, where there's the potential for more widespread marine layer cloud and fog. All right, over the next few days, we'll have temperatures that'll be just a little bit cooler in a Tuesday, but then much cooler in a Wednesday and Thursday. So the lower temperatures from the cold front, they're going to lag behind just a couple of days, but you can see we'll struggle to even make it out of the 50s in the Cascades for Wednesday and Thursday, which means we'll struggle to make it out of the mid 70s in the Rogue Valley for Wednesday and Thursday, and then warming back up as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But even those temperatures will be below average for this time of the year. We could have a chance for a shower or thunderstorm along and east of the Cascades for Thursday, and then more shower chances along and west of the Cascades for Saturday and Sunday. Nothing too widespread. We'll keep a very close eye on it, and we certainly need as much rain as we can get because we want to knock these fire weather impacts from elevated and critical all the way down to limited, if not even lower than that. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll have some haze along the coastline in those areas downwind of the Anvil fire. So that would be places like Port Orford and points to the south. For Siskiyou County, light haze for central and eastern Siskiyou County, but much thicker smoke in western Siskiyou County due to the proximity of several fires that are burning within the region. For the Klamath Basin, we will have a small chance for thunderstorms on Thursday, and that's about all there is in the forecast. That's about all she wrote. And then for the mountains, also a small chance for thunderstorms on Thursday, but then we have additional chances for showers into Saturday and Sunday. Oh, by the way, this weekend, the first weekend of fall, and it's definitely going to feel like it within the Rogue Valley, even though we'll be in the low 80s. That I feel like maybe people associate that with summertime, but that will be seasonal for, again, the first weekend of fall.